guys, so I'm Dion
And I'm Akshay.
and this is the high heels tutorial. So just for your information, this video is mirrored. So our right will be your right as well. Yeah. So we start with the song has this kind of interlude. So in the interlude, all you're doing is just putting on glares. We want everyone to have glares in this song. Yeah. So you're putting on glares. If you wish, you can even add a hoodie or a cap. Whatever you want to do to accessorize in this song.
And it's 2 counts of 8, so add in your personality. Like, you're adding this, you can just do a little bit of swag. From there, what happens is the 2 boys that we have, we are going to do their section. Okay? So, we are going to do ek ek thum kete. So, right hand, your finger goes ek ek thum kepe, so taliya. So, right side, left side. Okay, after that it goes ta 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 ta. So imagine you're a DJ, your left hand is on your ears and your right hand is here and you're going ta 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 ta. From here you're going to cross. Okay, it's like you're punching both sides, but you're shifting slightly to your right. So you're going to go punch, open, punch and open. Alright, after that the next step goes. So my right leg goes in front, left leg goes in front, right leg comes behind, left leg comes behind. My hands are just doing a small shimmy. So all I'm doing is forward, forward, back, back and then balia. So my right leg comes in front, right hand comes here and I'm just going back, 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 back. Okay? And after that again it's the same thing that repeats where I'm going side to side. So I'll just do it from the top, which goes ek ek thumke pe so taliya ta 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 na 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 na. Repeat. Okay, ta 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 ta.
Yeah. So that was the end of the boys section. From here the girl is singing. So girls, you go left hand on the head, right hand on the hip. You do a hip down, yeah? So this is really important. You go down, down, shift and again down, down. So we went ik ik thum kepe. From your so taliya down to up. We do 4 claps that are like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my knee is also moving out, in, out, in. From here, you place your right leg back to face back and along with that you do a hip. Your hip goes from left to right. 1, 2, hip, hip. Yeah, again hip is down. 1, 2, come forward. Just kind of get your hand around your face and earring twice. Yeah, so it goes like ik ik thum ke pe so taliya हिले जब लख मेरा हिलती है बालिया. Yeah, from here we do the couple section.
So then the boys, I'm just taking my left hand and I'm just going to hit, like not hit, but just assume I'm going hit, 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 hit. So, ik thum ke pe so taliya. So I'm going from right to left.
I am going from the left. Girls, before this, I have kept my hands on my left hip. My right hip is open so that they can hit. Yeah, and we do down, 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 down 4 times. From here, girls go left to right, up, 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 up. So you're making a semicircle. Yeah?
So, ik thum ke pe so taliya. From here, I just pull her right hand. So, we go opposite direction, opposite direction. Okay? Then boys, from your left elbow, you just go and slightly place it here and you go baliya.
Girls, at this point you're just reacting to him placing his hand and then you do a head. Yeah?
From here, I am just going to take again her right hand from my left hand and take a small circle around my head. After taking the circle, she moves in front calling me 2 steps. We can't move too much because we have to be at the center of the camera. So we just go 2 steps in front, she turns around and she
push and push. Again 2 steps. Yes? That is the end of the couple section. Now we do the chorus. In this we have everyone doing it together. Yeah? So your first step, everyone's right leg will be forward. You lift right out and in. Okay? The other hand is near your ear and the other hand you're placing. So first right, left, point with the right, point with the left, jache. Jache is just like you're looking good. Yeah? Again we repeat this. 1, 2, point, point, jache.
So twice we go 5, 6, 7 and high heels di nache tu badi jache. Yeah, so twice we are doing this.
Yeah.
From that,
From there the music starts. So here your hip movement is constantly going right, left, and we do a place, right hand, cross, left hand, clap, 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 clap. Again, place, place, and two body jache. Yeah. After this,
we're just gonna go left hand. So basically it's this. Wait, which one?
Yeah, right down.
So just think of right hand being up and you're going down, down. Yeah, so it's twice of this. You go down, down. Then we're going to take our right hand, all of us, and we're just going to go over our head, look, and nod. That's it.
if you want to see the performance to this tutorial video, don't forget to click on the link in the description below. But before that, please do like, share, comment and subscribe on our YouTube channel A&D Choreography.
And if you have any song suggestions or you want us to do any particular tutorial, make sure that you put it down on the comments below. Till then, keep dancing.